सो गाइस हम लोग अपना लेक्चर कंटिन्यू करते हैं। रेलवे एनटीपीसी के लिए है ये लेक्चर। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट है, हु एमिट्स द फॉलोइंग वोन द नोबेल प्राइज इन साइंस इन टू डिफरेंट डिसिप्लिन? ऑप्शन ए रसल हल्स, ऑप्शन बी डेविड ली, ऑप्शन सी मैडम क्यूरी, ऑप्शन डी पॉल बोयर। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी मैडम क्यूरी. Question number 2 is, who's the author of The Company of Women? Option A John Gray, option B David Baldacci, option C Dick Francis, option D Khushwant Singh. So the correct answer is option D Khushwant Singh. थर्ड नंबर में पूछा गया, इन द 13th लोकसभा इलेक्शंस इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स डिड द रूलिंग अलायंस वोन ऑल द सीट्स? तो द ऑप्शन इज आंध्र प्रदेश, ऑप्शन बी उड़ीसा, ऑप्शन सी हरियाणा, ऑप्शन डी गुजरात. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी हरियाणा. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज, हु रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडिया इन द सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस? ऑप्शन ए अरुणा आसफ अली, ऑप्शन बी सुचेता कृपलानी, ऑप्शन सी सरोजिनी नायडू, ऑप्शन डी कल्पना जोशी. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी सरोजिनी नायडू. द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज, द रूलर्स ऑफ विच डायनेस्टी started the practice of granting tax-free villages to Brahmanas and Buddhist monks? Option A Satavahanas, option B Mauryas, option C Guptas, option D Cholas. So the correct answer is option A Satavahanas. So the sixth question is, the Bandung Conference was a major milestone in the history of? Option A non-aligned movement, option B Indo-China relationship, option C US-Vietnam war, option D creation of ASEAN. So the correct answer is option A non-aligned movement. The question 7 is, the most important text of Vedic mathematics is? Option A Satpat Brahman, option B Atharva Ved, option C Sulva Sutras, option D Chandogya Upanishad. So the correct answer is option number C Sulva Sutras. Question 8, which of the following Indian states is broadly as large as a European nation Austria? So the correct option A is Kerala, option B is West Bengal, option C is Odisha, option D is Karnataka. So the correct answer is option number B West Bengal. Question 9 is, which of the following districts is on the international border of India? Option A Sirsa, option B Anantnag, option C Karimganj, option D is Purulia. So the correct answer is option B Anantnag. Question 10 is, the deposits of the ancient Tethys Sea were folded to form the? Option A Himalayas, option B Rockies, option C Andes, option D Alps. So the correct answer is option A Himalayas. 11th question is, the largest irrigation canal in India is called? Option A Yamuna Canal, option B Sirhind Canal, option D Indira Gandhi Canal, option D Upper Bari Doab Canal. So the correct answer is Indira Gandhi Canal. 12th is, atmospheric pressure exerted on Earth is due to? Option A rotation of Earth, option B revolution of Earth, option C gravitational pull, option D is uneven heating of Earth. So the correct answer is option number C gravitational pull. 13th number is, pruning is an essential part in the cultivation of? Option A rubber, option B tobacco, option C coffee, option D tea. So pruning is essential part in the cultivation of tea. Tea is correct answer. 14th is, operating surplus arises in the? Option A government sector, option B production for self-consumption. So question number 14 is operating surplus arises in the option A, a government sector, option B, production for self-consumption, option C, subsistence farming, option D, enterprise sector. So the correct answer is option D, enterprise sector. So ये था operating surplus arises in the enterprise sector. 15. The most important of the non-tariff trade barriers are option A, quotas, option B, health regulations, option C, pollution standards, option D, labeling and packaging regulations. So the correct answer is most important of the non-tariff trade barrier are health regulations. 16th is question number 16th is the maximum area under crops is India is used in the cultivation of option A, wheat, option B, rice, option C, sugarcane, option D, cotton. So maximum area under crops is India is used for cultivation of option B, rice. 17th number is investment is equal to A is gross total of all types of physical capital assets, B is gross total of all capital assets minus wear and tear, stock of plants, machines and equipments, D is none of the above. So the correct answer is A, gross total of all types of physical capital assets. 18. The Tarapur Committee recommended that before capital account was made convertible, the rate of inflation should be brought down for 3 years to within option A 3 to 5%, option B 0 to 3%, option C 4 to 6%, option D 5 to 7%. So the correct answer is option A 3 to 5%. Question number 19 is who among the following are not appointed by the President of India? Option A, governors of state, option B, chief justice and judges of High Court, option C, vice president, option D, chief justice and judges of Supreme Court. So the correct answer is option C, vice president. Question 20 is what is the period within which a proclamation of national emergency made by the president is to be placed before each house of the parliament for approval? Option A within 1 month, option B within 2 months, option C within 4 months, option D within 6 months. So the correct answer is option A within 1 month. So ये क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट होते हैं. आगे के क्वेश्चंस हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में करेंगे. तो तब तक आप लोग मेरा लेक्चर शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.